Tonight we continue our series Priced Out with a look at how Vancouver's high real estate prices are affecting young families. Even with more double-income families, households aren't earning any more than they were 30 years ago. But the price of a home has gone sky high. Lisa Johnson has more.
Weeknights are busy for working parents with 2 young kids. Dad Nathan Hume is a lawyer. Mom Angie Chan is a health researcher. They have no complaints about working hard. But at this stage, with 2 good jobs, they thought home ownership would be within reach. Not in Vancouver.
We have a number of friends who are in the same situation as us. They're highly educated, they've got good jobs, they have young kids, and they've all left the city.
For now, this family of 4 is renting a 2-bedroom apartment. They likely could get a mortgage to buy something, but they don't think that's smart, when it would mean no room left to save for retirement or their kids' education.
That's the kind of thing you should be preparing for. And how can you possibly do that if, I don't know what the statistic is, 86% of pre-tax disposable income goes to pay for the average house in Vancouver right now? I mean, you can't.
Young families who feel like they have less time and money than a previous generation are right. And that's before you even factor in this city's sky-high real estate prices.
We have a generation that's trying to get into the housing market that's priced out in a way we've never witnessed before.
Paul Kershaw has compared incomes and house prices now to the 1970s. Then the household income for couples aged 25 to 34 was the equivalent of $73,000 in today's dollars. Today, the same age group earns just $69,000 in BC. So even with more women working, households are earning less, not more. At the same time, the average cost of housing, adjusted for inflation, has gone up 149%.
And if you manage to cobble together enough of a down payment to incur that $500,000 mortgage, then suddenly what is the primary source of wealth for those retiring is the primary source of debt for those who are also contemplating, can I afford to start a family?
Kershaw says governments need to help this generation by making childcare and parental leave more affordable.
And that would have a big impact on improving the bottom line of young people.
The expectations have decreased really rapidly.
This family is willing to wait to own.
The multiples you see right now, it doesn't make any sense.
If you had asked us a year ago, I think at least my responses would have been a lot angrier and more emotional, but I almost feel like the idea, or that I've come to accept that that buying a house will remain quite a challenge.
But that decision doesn't come without disappointment that what used to be a reasonable expectation for the average middle-class family has become, for many, a dream. Lisa Johnson, CBC News, Vancouver.
Tomorrow on Priced Out, can Vancouver learn a lesson about affordable housing from Whistler? Coming up.